3 decades ago, milk mustaches became a cultural icon. For the 30th anniversary, the milk mustache ads are back. But this time, the real people of California are the stars. Introducing Got Milk Photo Studio, a photography project traveling across California. From San Francisco to San Diego, more than 12,000 photos captured. Over 1,000 life-size posters printed and delivered during the tour. From an outdoor campaign to an indoor one.
I am living my best life right now. I got my milk mustache, and that was like a dream coming true after so many years collecting these ads.
Taylor Swift did a couple. The Williams sisters.
The Seth Rogen one is the one that comes to mind.
Well, I have all 3 of Dennis Rodman's hair colors.
Californians for me are like, everyone's so different. It's an entire world. Personalidades diferentes.
I am loving this. This is so much fun. I don't need wedding pictures. I need this on my wall. Are you kidding me?
Watching their eyes light up, their faces light up is so gratifying because we've got boomers, we've got millennials, we've got Gen Z.
Whole milk's my milk.
Chocolate milk.
Whole milk, especially in the coffee, 100%.
Just photographing real people from different backgrounds. That's been the best thing to do.
We literally brought the campaign into people's homes. But we didn't stop there. The reimagined Milk Mustache came to life, not only inside homes across the state, but also outside, as an out-of-home takeover.
You know, it feels good to be able to do something of this scale and represent your home state.
Me siento muy orgulloso para que mis papás me vean aquí como una estrella.
As a South Korean immigrant in city of LA, I feel accepted.
I look so cool. I just feel heard and I feel seen and I feel honored and loved.
Yeah, to represent California as a Black female rancher, it feels amazing. And you know, when you see diversity come together, it makes a beautiful thing.
Muy feliz, nunca he visto mi retrato tan grande. Estar con mi perrito me hace muy feliz.
Portraying more than 150 everyday Californians, with postings that celebrated the incredible diversity of the state's real stars.